Avalanche Slide is currently worth 12.54 cents and is in the category of mineable coins. It has a market capitalization of $4,343,564.023. Over the past few years, digital currencies like Avalanche Slide have gained a lot of traction in the global financial world and are now being traded like regular money. The unfamiliar trade market operates on a vast scale. A few institutional cash-related help in any occasion in each functional sense kind of consider crypto as a capable supporting instrument against the taking off extension and the aggravations in the overall economy, and a remarkably incredibly beast way retail cash-related allies and specialists a superb most part are truly amped in the mood for state-of-the-art monetary standards, for instance Avax, considering the way that this on a very basic level kind of is clearly the most open financial market where different assets have the potential for 100x to 1000x conveyances in a to some degree according to a general point of view short period of time in an honest way regardless of standard reasoning. These benefits are no doubt inaccessible in genuinely clever business districts, which as per a confirmed perspective is the legitimization for why most genuinely moderate monetary help everything considered are cautiously chipping away at their consistent portfolios with motorized monetary designs like weighty slide, while the critical ones for the most part determinately commit a fundamental piece of their supporting to this rapidly making asset class, which everything considered for the most part is truly enormous, which as per a genuine perspective is unbelievably immense. At this truly unambiguous convergence point the undertakings of all market individuals gave the expense of weighty slide to the level at 12.54 pennies, where it right eventually kind of sits in a very colossal way as of now implied. Avax is a mid-position cryptographic CASH since it in the end has the 20th spot in all-around electronic CASH rankings, the sort of in every objective sense metric that inside and out that truly not absolutely relentlessly settled by repeating the truly current expense by the market capitalization of the electronic asset, or so they all around unequivocally thought. By morals of weighty slide the market capitalization essentially stays at 4.343,564,023. The significance of this dividing line will be fully comprehended at a later date. Our expense assumption evaluation is structured to reliably monitor the value, position, and market capitalization of the referred to digital asset. This ensures that our stakeholders are provided with accurate information regarding the current status and future prospects of the business sector. It enables the beneficiaries to accurately assess the condition of their portfolio and make informed decisions regarding its reconfiguration, as opposed to relying solely on speculation. Our estimation similarly considers particular data, which is especially fundamental for the right assessment of both the present and anticipated market structure and the estimation of its kind of present and future heading, which is fundamentally clear underneath, where you'll find key finishes of this clear data so you could likewise as indicated by a genuine perspective whenever. On August 9, Avax unequivocally as per a guaranteed perspective was viewed at 12.86 at the beginning of the two trading social affairs kind of survey that mechanized monetary structures in each sensible sense are trade the entire week, so each trading social affair symbolically closes at 12 p.m., which is ordinarily fundamental, the expenditure. On the 27th of August, 7 days before, Avalanche's slide was traded at 13.26 at the end of the trading meeting, which is a 0% price change from where it is now. On August 11, which was exactly a month ago, examiners traded Avax at 13.22, which is 5.11 points away from where it is now. The cost of Avax and the results of the CFIX are not the only things we use to estimate costs, which is really important, or so they thought. The size of the market, quiet, is another important metric that helps traders figure out how popular a cryptocurrency is and what its future prospects are. It has also been used to figure out how much of the huge digital currency market Avalanche Slide holds. In every practical way, the amount of money being talked about is equal to its present price. As of the time of this writing, the market capitalization of Avax mostly stays at $4,343.56,023. This makes it the 20th largest coin on the cryptocurrency market. Recently, on August 9, the market capitalization of Avalanche slide mostly stayed at $4,450,895,136. This is contrary to what most people think. 7 days earlier, on August 10, the market capitalization of Avalanche slide was $4,450,895,136. Financial backers generally follow the rule that a cryptocurrency's market value also shows how risky it is and how well it can handle disturbances, which are common on this very unstable market. The most common amount of Avalanche slide is 72 billion Avax. The most common amount of Vax is 433044514 coins, which is a very important number. Even though most people think this Avalanche slide price expectation is wrong, the current amount of the cryptocurrency under study is 325,064 Vax. Wolden T would not be complete without a description of the trading volume available. This is because this is the kind of measurement that almost all cryptocurrency traders use to determine the strength of a trend and the likelihood of a market move. For example, if a breakout to a potential gain is happening at a time when trading volume is very low, it's usually a sign that the trend is weakening. After 24 hours, the amount of trading on the Avalanche slide slowed down. Bitcoin price prediction as bears pull BTC down to $29,000 level. Where is BTC going next? Recently, Bitcoin has stayed above $29,000, which could be a good sign, but it hasn't hit $30,000 yet. It has been trading between $28,900 and $29,280, which shows how unsure the market is. Notably, people who own a lot of Bitcoin are selling less, which could mean they think its value will go up in the future. The recent rise in Bitcoin's value may be related to PayPal's release of PayPal USD, PYUSD, a new digital currency. This global payment company has joined the world of cryptocurrencies by making PYUSD, which is built on Ethereum technology and made to keep its value stable. This is a big deal because it's the first time that a major bank has made its own stable digital currency. This change could change how people think about cryptocurrencies, which could help Bitcoin's value go up. Changes to Bitcoin ETFs, what they mean for the price of Bitcoin and investor interest. The CEO of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, thinks that the SEC might take longer than expected to accept their Bitcoin ETF. Wood says that the SEC could possibly accept multiple Bitcoin ETFs at the same time. This would help to balance the demand, which is worth about $50 billion right now. BlackRock and Fidelity,